Welcome to Mud Grip Mike's YouTube channel. Just a country boy making videos of trucks, tractors, firearms, four-wheelers. Just having fun underneath the oak tree here. I can't say I'm in the kitchen making videos. My friend Mark Dice already has that honor. Anyway, if you like them, hit that subscribe button or the like button. And thanks for watching. Okay. Here we're taking off this old skirting off of this camper, fifth wheel camper. We're going to put some inflatable air skirts on it. Let's see how that's going to work. Anyway, I'm trying to get all this stuff loose so I can get it out of the way. I do know that these chocks have to come out. On the front, and it looks pretty fair. Now all I gotta do is get this one 6 foot across the front. They say 6, but whenever you actually start doing it, it turns out to where they're about 8. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, anyway, it's done. These are air skirts, and I don't know what time it is, probably 3 o'clock. I took 2 hours off, but I started at about 8. Oh, good 4 hours. Those pretty well meet. There's a water hose pushing down. There is a gap here. I might have to get one of those air pillow things and put in there. There's a little gap right here that could use an air pillow, and one on the other side. But right here, those are sealed. And across the back. So, pretty good. And then here, I've got it sealed. So, and it runs, of course, underneath, right up to the tires. And those are pretty good. So all in all, I guess it turned out all right. Here's in front of the tire and a cat, but in front, and then it goes all the way under to there. So, worked out okay. If you liked it, hit the like and subscribe button. Getting hot again in Texas. And until I come up with a new little project, thanks for watching Mud Grip Mike.